Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a squishy collection update, and a squishy collection update is inspired by Purple Purple Cotton Candy on YouTube, and definitely go check her out. And this is pretty much just showing a couple of squishies in my collection. But anyways, let's get on. So the first squishies I have is the full, I'm pretty sure it's the full, the 3 pigs set. And here's the white, there's a white one, there's blue and white stripes, a brown one with white with a solid white color, and then a pink one with a green and black. And these are all pretty dense, and the tags are all the same. Next, I have this Daifuku Mochi squeeze toy, and I won't be taking this out of packaging. Next, I have this Lucio egg tart, and this is out of packaging. Next, I have this mini tiger animal bun, and this is by Punimaru, or Punimaru, whatever you want to call it. And lastly, I have this fat cat cracker. Sorry for any loud background noise. Thank you guys for watching, and today's video was pretty short, and I'm sorry about that, but I don't have a lot of time to film. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye!